Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Maps Street View. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Google Maps, and then in the search bar you can obviously type in a place that you want to view. So once you've done that, you can scroll in if you wish. Then you can just select a certain attraction if you want to do that. And then it'll give you the option to click on the photo on the left hand side of the screen. And that'll just bring up the view of that area that you've selected. You can also select the two lines on the bottom right. And this will bring up the map of exactly where you are. So if you want to just select a certain street, you can just hold your finger on that area, and that'll take you straight to that street there. And then you can just select these little arrows on the screen just to move around that street. So you can move up and down. Obviously, again, just have a look around. And then again, you can go the other direction if you wish to do so. And it'll also give you the option to see more dates at the bottom of the screen. So if you click on there, this will bring up what the street used to look like, say in 2016 or 2014. And again, you can click on that, and this will give you the option to have a look around that street on that date as well. So that's how you can use Google Maps Street View. Thanks for watching.